Welcome to our video on understanding probability theory, a fundamental concept in various fields, especially relevant for grasping the nature of risk in both private and business activities. This video will introduce you to the core ideas of probability theory, focusing on how it helps us measure the chance of specific events occurring. Probability theory is the area of study which measures the chance of occurrence of particular events. There are three primary approaches to understanding and applying probability: a priori, empirical, and judgmental probability. Let's start with a priori probability. A priori probability is determined when the total numbers of possible events are known and each outcome has an equal chance of occurring. For example, the probability of getting a 5 on a roll of a standard 6-sided dice is 1/6, or approximately 0.1666. However, a priori probability has limited practical application in the study of risk and insurance because situations where all possible outcomes have an equal chance of occurrence are very rare in the real world. Next, we have empirical probability. Empirical probability is determined based on historical data and observations. It relies on past occurrences to predict future probabilities. Consider a transport company with a fleet of 1,000 vehicles. If they experienced an average of 50 accidents over the previous year, the empirical probability of an accident occurring the next year would be 50 divided by 1,000, which equals 0.05 or 5%. It's crucial that empirical probability is supported by the theory of the law of large numbers, which states that as the number of trials increases, the actual results will approach the expected probability. Finally, let's explore judgmental probability. Judgmental probability is determined based on the informed judgment or intuition of the person predicting the outcomes. This approach is primarily used when there's a lack of historical data or credible statistics, making it necessary to rely on expert assessment. A common example is in the insurance of complex or novel risks, such as nuclear plants. It's important to understand that in any event, all these techniques provide an estimation of future loss. This implies that actual outcomes may often differ from the expected outcomes. While we use probability to estimate future losses, these are just predictions. For instance, an insurance company predicting 30 destroyed cars next year might actually see 20, 40, 50, or even 100 cars destroyed. This is because the strict requirements of the law of large numbers are seldom perfectly met in practice, leading to discrepancies. In conclusion, understanding probability theory is vital for assessing and managing risk. We've covered a priori, empirical, and judgmental probabilities, each with its unique application and limitations. By grasping these concepts, you can better navigate the uncertainties in private and business activities, making more informed decisions. Thank you for watching.